Dr. Ledong Lepcha. This letter of felicitation is presented to Dr. Ledong Lepcha, PhD, Assistant Scientific Officer, Bioinformatics Center, Sikkim State Council of Science and Technology, for exceptional contributions to science, technology, and bioinformatics research. A distinguished scientist in bioinformatics, molecular biology, and disaster mitigation, Dr. Lepcha pioneered genomics, proteomics, molecular docking, and medicinal plant studies of the Eastern Himalayas. His patented method of planting Thysoliana maxima for landslide prevention earned a South African Patent 2024 and Northeast India Award 2023. He has led bioinformatics initiatives, published extensively, trained scholars, and reviewed for leading journals. This felicitation honors his research, patents, leadership, and commitment to sustainable development education. Tokchi.
Tokchi Totsi Dr. Ledong Rongkubrem. Tokchi Agyat. Alumdo Matnu Alongo Dr. Mongfing Rongmitrem Shyamka Chobuyongo Labdun Shumo. Leb Renew Chring Ongmu Rongmitrem La Totsi Yuk Rokshong Tanka Shyamka Chobuyong Labdun Shumo.
Dr. Mongfing Lepcha, an eminent anthropologist from Kalo village, Sikkim, has made significant contributions to anthropology and indigenous studies. Born on February 16, 1991, Dr. Lepcha earned her PhD in anthropology from Sikkim University 2024 with research on a comparative study of differential fertility and mortality among the Lepchas of Sikkim. She has also held a MSc in anthropology and dual UGC NET qualifications. Her work focuses on demography, health, indigenous knowledge, and folklore. She has collaborated with prestigious institutions. Dr. Lepcha is dedicated to preserving indigenous wisdom. She is being felicitated during the Tendangno Rumfat Celebration 2025. Tokchi Agyap.
Totchi Tokchi Dr. Mongfing Rongmitrem. Along Alumdo Matnu Goshyamka Dr. Malmit Rongmitrem. Chobuyong Labdun Shumo. Lebka Renew Chumit Rongmit. Totchi Yuk Rokshong Tanka Shyamka Chobuyong Labdun Shumo.
Dr. Malmit Lepcha, a distinguished scholar and educator from Samar, Khamdong East Sikkim, has made remarkable contribution to indigenous knowledge system and Sikkim cultural history. A school topper from PNG Senior Secondary School, she graduated from Lady Sri Ram College and earned her PhD in history from Sikkim University. Her research, indigenous knowledge system, and social change among the Lepchas during the Namgyal dynasty is widely acclaimed. A dedicated educator at Sanchaman Limbu Government College since 2015, she has published in reputed international journal and actively supported youth education through volunteer work. She is felicitated during the Tendong Lo Rumfat Celebration 2025. Tokchi.
Tachi un Tokshi Agab Dr. Malmit Rongmit. Along Alumdo Matnu go renew Dr. Tenzing Jangmo Rongmit Rem Shiom Kachobayong Labdun Shumo. Lep ka renew Jarmit Rongmit Tachi Yuk Rokshong Tanka Shiom Kachobayong Labdun Shumo.
Dr. Tenzing Zangmu Lepcha, an accomplished anthropologist from Tingshim, Phensong Mangan, has significantly advanced the understanding of indigenous communities in Sikkim and the Himalayas. She holds MA, MPhil, and PhD in anthropology from Sikkim University and MA in sociology from IGNOU with multiple UGC NET qualifications. Her research on Rai identity and rural health highlights her expertise in ethnohistory and tribal studies. She has presented at national and international platforms, including the World Anthropology Congress 2023, and published widely on ethnomedicine and cultural identity. In recognition, she is felicitated during the Tendong Lorumfat Celebration 2025 Tokchi.
Now we are expressing our gratitude and acknowledging the work and contributions of our PhD scholars. Now is the time for special people who have worked in the field of community service, culture, sports, biodiversity, etc. So now may I call upon Ms. Yangchen Tongden Lepcha to receive the felicitation. Also would like to call upon Langmit Lepcha to read the citation for her.
Khamri, Renyu Yangchen Tongden Lepcha, daughter of late Ren Pasang Tongden Lepcha from Diktiu, Gantok district, is an inspiring figure whose dedication has greatly impacted society and the environment. For over 15 years, she has championed sustainable tourism and humanitarian relief, uplifting communities, preserving cultural heritage, and protecting the natural environment. She has been at the forefront of disaster relief, bringing hope to those affected by natural calamities. Her advocacy for responsible tourism balanced development with conservation, safeguardings. These felicitations honors her exceptional contribution to community service, sustainability, and humanitarian work. Tokchi Agyap.
Thank you. Now may I call upon the renowned footballer late Hangu Nordin Lepcha, whoever has come in place of late Hangu Nordin Lepcha, and also would on the stage to receive the felicitation, and also would like to call Chiring Lepcha to read the citation.
Late Hangu Nordin Lepcha, born on 2nd June 1957 in Gantok, was one of Sikkim's finest football coaches and mentors. A talented footballer from his school days, he played for the Indian Navy 1978 to 1982 in premier tournaments like the Hartwell League, Nandakarni Cup, Rovers Cup, Duran Cup, and All India Service Championship. He earned a diploma in football coaching from NIS, Patiala, and joined the government of Sikkim in 1982, later serving as chief football coach, spearheading Namchi Sports Academy, mentoring players, including international Sanju Pradhan and Nirmal Chetri. This posthumous felicitation honors his discipline, dedication, and lasting legacy in Sikkim football. Tokchi Agyap.
Tokchi, now may I call upon Ren Nimchring Lepcha to receive the felicitation, please. Now also would like to call Mayalmit Lepcha to read the citation.
Ren Nimchring Lepcha, born on 11 November 1989 at Kusong Tingwong GPU, Zongu, is an accomplished footballer and sport promoter dedicated to football development and social service in Sikkim. Trained at Namchi Sport Hostel, he represented Sikkim from sub-junior to senior national level, captaining state teams and participating in major tournaments, including the Governor's Gold Cup, IFA Shield, Federation Cup, Durand Cup, and I-League. He is Director of Football Development Private Limited, organizer of the prestigious Sikkim Premier League, launched 2022, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamangoli. This felicitation honors his contribution to sports, entrepreneurship, and community welfare. Tokchi.
Tokchi, now may I call upon the family member of late Solomon Lepcha to receive the felicitation, and also would like to call Mikmar Lepcha to read the citation.
Late Solomon Lepcha, born on 22nd June 1954 at Chota Singtam Basti, East Sikkim, was an extraordinary footballer, coach, and mentor who dedicated his life to football development in Sikkim. After schooling in Sir Tashi Namgyal Senior Secondary School, he joined the Indian Gorkha Regiment, excelling in football and representing Northern and Eastern Commands and Gorkha Brigades, Delhi, attaining the rank of Nayak. Joining the Sport Department, Government of Sikkim in 1981, he led teams to notable victories, including King's Birthday Cup 1983 and Santosh Trophy in 1987. A FIFA-trained coach, he nurtured talents like Nirmal Chetri and Sanju Pradhan. This felicitation honors his life, legacy, and service. Tokchi.
Tokchi, now may I call upon Ren Ugen Palzer, President of BMC Yegethang, to receive the felicitations. So for this, I would like to call Kursongmit Lepcha to read the citation.
Servo Kamrimo, Yegethang Biodiversity Management Committee, BMC, established on 7th February 2016 under the Biological Diversity Act 2002, is a pioneering institution for biodiversity conservation and documentation of traditional ecological knowledge in Zongu, Mangan district. Representing all 7 wards of Yegethang GPU, it is the only full-time operational BMC in Sikkim. Under chairperson Ren Ugen Palzo Lepcha, it prepared biodiversity registers and achieved a historic milestone with the official notification of Tungkyongdo Lake as Sikkim's first biodiversity heritage site 2023. The BMC promotes environmental awareness, maintains an indigenous seed bank, and received the Best BMC Award 2024. This felicitation honors his exemplary contributions. Tokchi Agyap.
Tokchi. Now may I call upon family member of late Ringzing Lepcha from Lower Shari, Gantok to receive the felicitation. For this, I would like to call Songkit Lepcha to read the citation, please.
Late Ren Rinjing Dorji Lepcha, born on 22nd November 1955 in Luing Rangka, was a pioneer of performing arts in Sikkim who dedicated his life in education, theater, and culture promotion. Beginning as a primary teacher in 1971, he served as headmaster in various schools before joining the culture department as instructor in 1979. He completed a 3-year diploma in acting at the National School of Drama, New Delhi in 1988, becoming the first from Sikkim to achieve this distinction. Retiring on 2011 as assistant director, he inspired generation of artists and promoted culture awareness. This felicitation honors his remarkable contribution and legacy. Tokchi.
Tokchi Gunkala. Now it is the time to honor the presence of our special guests who have spared their precious moment with us today. So for this, I would like to call upon Dr. Praveen Mishra, Professor of Law Department, Sikkim University, to receive the token of appreciation from our dignitaries, please. I would also like to call upon Professor Viru Pant, HOD, History Department, Sikkim University, to please come on the stage and receive the token of appreciation, please. Now may I call upon the members of ITS, Madam Namrata Thapa, on the stage to receive the token of appreciation, ma'am. Now may I call upon Dr. Neeraj Adhikari, who is also the member of ITS. Okay. So may I call upon Dr. James Saring Lepcha, who is also the member of ITS, to receive this token of appreciation. I would also like to call upon Renpaldin Pazo Lepcha to receive this token of appreciation. Less. Now I would like to call upon the principal of Paljar Namgyal Girls Senior Secondary School, Gangtok, to receive this token of appreciation. I request Madam Chungchung Madam to come and receive. Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I request Mr. Chunilal Gimire to please come on the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Thank you, sir. Now, may I call upon Mr. Rim Dorji Lepcha, Chief Engineer, Culture Department. Okay. So, may I call upon Kursongmit Lepcha, Cambridge. Okay. Now, moving on, I would like to call upon Ren Choten Churing Lepcha, who is the founder member of RMRT, to come on the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Now, may I call upon the nodal teachers from all the schools who are invited here today. So, starting from Modern Senior Secondary School, the nodal teacher who has come from Modern Senior Secondary School, please come on the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Anybody from Modern School? Followed by West Point Senior Secondary School. Anybody from Tashi Namgyal Senior Secondary School? Students? Yes. One of you can come and receive. Come. West Point, TNSS, Modern School. Anybody from Tadung Senior Secondary School? Madam? I would like to invite a nodal teacher from Bojogari Senior Secondary School. Since nobody is there, I am one of the teachers of Bojogari. I'll be receiving. Now I would like to call Madam Daudin again to receive this token of appreciation from PNG School. Followed by Siche Senior Secondary School. I would like to call upon Madam Pumki. Is there anyone from Padma Ozer Choling School? A nodal teacher from Padma Ozer Choling School? If not, the student can come and receive. From Nur Bahadur Degree College, Tadung. From Kanchenjunga State University. Kanchenjunga State University. From Deorali Senior Secondary School, Madam Ongmit. Tokchi. So thank you everyone. So may I request all the dignitaries to please, you can take your place. Thank you so much for being with us.